We're here at the mill and we're taking a look at the parking lot that is full of all the parts for the brand new Chair 1 project here. Lots of parts. They stage all the parts down here, pre-assemble, and then take them out on the mountain for install. That's a big old bull wheel. Here's all the towers. So many parts, it just seems overwhelming that they're going to be able to get all this done in time. So we're just walking along the outside of their fenced-in project. It just goes on all the way up, even beyond to the end of the mill parking area. Now we're up here at the base of the new Chair 1. A lot of work taking place. So here's the foundation for the first tower outside of the base of Chair 1 here. You can see where we're at.